Hello everybody, did you have got the Landrover Defender gear stick or gear shifter lock? Obviously these kind of vehicles here, which are quite hot amongst the criminal fraternity for car thieves or burglars who use them to rip cash machines out of premises and that. So Land Rover came with this. You probably stick it on the back of your boot. Obviously you turn it, it comes off. It looks a bit like the multi-lock one, but it's much smaller. And obviously you've got these bits where it grips the gear stick or the gear shifter. So I'll put that back in there. I've not picked this. I thought I'd pick easy one because my hands are working themselves. So they're easier. You can see how dark it is, and then you see the pin there. It's a 5-pinner, I think. So we'll have a look at the key button. Obviously you can see there, look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a 5-pinner. So anyway, let's give it a go. Get into it. Just get myself positioned. Right. Let's give it a shot. So I click on 1. I click on 2. I'm going to click on 3, nothing on 4, let's get on to 5, I think that is 5, nothing on 5, so we'll go through it again. 1 click, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, go on this way. I've just lost number 1. Number 1's popped back up again. Try that one again. I'll click on 1. I'll click on 2 again. Go on this way, so we can go on this way. But can I get a grip of it? Right. I click on 4. I'm not getting nothing off that. Like, I'll just try that. Start from 1 again. So 1, 2. The chord's rather sloppy. Sometimes that can be a defense in its own right. Damn it, lost him. As soon as I touch number, when it's set number 5, they're all popped up. So go back through, 1, 3, a click, a bit of movement in the core. Click there, a bit more movement when I've done number 3, so it's 4 and 5 I've got to watch out for, because as soon as I start trying to put pressure on them, I've got to release the tension to set them. They'll all just pop up, so I have to keep the tension on and try and force it up a bit. Let's try the other way so I can get it this way. I've got to click there, 4. Let's try number 5. Click off number 5, still not open, so it must be one that it must be more. It must be 1, 2 or 3 then. 1, 2, 3, click off 3, still nothing. Click there 5. click off 4. So it must be one. It must be 1 to 3 then. Unless I've overset 1. Nothing on 3. Click there on 5. I think it was there. Start again. Got to. Damn it. Let's start at the bottom this time. Won't we up? Click the F2. Click F5. Click the F5 again. Bit movement in the core. One's popped back up. Got one back down. Let's try number 2. Just click off 2. Click off 3. 4 slide click. Weird. It feels like I've set them well. I must have overset something. I bet I've overset number 4. I'll have to try and release the tension as best as I can. Well, it's already done. Damn it. So that's 1 again. Oh, there we go, got it. Oh, got it. Yes, got it. That's working. Alright, we got it. So there we go, the Landrover Defender. A bit tricky to pick, first time pick. So anyway, looks I've got coming up, once my hands get better, I've got to get my hands on an MT5 Plus. So we'll be getting to pick that. And we've got the Motor C, which one's this one? The C28. I think they don't even produce these anymore, them C28s. So 2 good locks we've got coming up. Obviously my hands are working themselves the last few days, so I can't pick. So anyway, hope you liked. Thanks for watching as always. Stay safe, happy picking, and ta-ra.